Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering down or switching to airplane mode to prevent signal conflicts and accidental damage. Once done, locate the SIM tray on the bottom left edge, use the supplied ejector or a 0.81 0mm pin and press straight in. Make sure you apply steady pressure and not bend the tool. After the tray pops out, pull it gently, do not force. This protects the tray pins and keeps the phone's internals safe as you proceed to place the cards. With the tray removed, orient both Nano SIM's metal contacts facing down so the gold sides meet the phone connectors. Match the notched corner of each SIM to its slot. SIM1 typically sits closer to the phone's body and SIM2 toward the outer edge. Once positioned, press gently until each card sits flush. A raised or crooked SIM can prevent detection. If you have a micro SD option, note that some models share a slot. Make sure you're not overlapping cards when installing both SIMs. Carefully align the tray with the phone opening and slide it back straight in until it clicks. Forcing it at an angle risks bending the tray. Power the phone on and open settings, then connections, then SIM card manager to let Android detect both SIMs. Once recognized, assign SIM preferences for calls, texts, and mobile data and enable or disable mobile data switching. If a SIM isn't detected, retry reseating the tray. If still failing, test each SIM alone to isolate whether the card, tray, or slot is faulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.